Welcome to 7 Darnborough Way, a wonderful 4-bedroom detached home nestled on a quiet street in Toronto's Lamaro neighbourhood, close to a wealth of prime amenities. Featuring a double-car garage, perennial gardens, and an interlocking walkway to a covered front entrance, the wood entry door opens into a marble-tiled foyer, beyond which is a ceramic-tiled reception hall with a mirrored door coat closet, and with the ceramic flooring continued into the kitchen area. The hallway leads into the L-shaped entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, both which enjoy abundant natural lighting from the west-facing exposure, have a warm yet neutral color palette, and showcase oak hardwood flooring original to the home. Beautifully suited for both intimate or large-scale gatherings, entertaining easily spills onto a large backyard deck during the warm weather months through a sliding door walkout from the dining room. Spacious and quite bright, the kitchen features abundant cabinetry storage that is complemented with a wall pantry in the breakfast area, where wainscoting adds a cozy cottage-like aura to the space. The kitchen also features ceramic backsplashes, a stainless steel oven with smooth surface cooktop, fridge, dishwasher, and double sink, a built-into-the-wall pantry closet, and a walkout onto an interlocking side patio that is also accessible from the garage. South-facing windows allow for ample natural light, while track lighting adds additional brightness here as well as in the reception and foyer areas. Across from the upper staircase landing is a powder room with parquet hardwood flooring and a wood vanity, while the staircase is finished with hardwood treads and leads to an upper level showcasing the home's original oak hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, and a washroom. The 4th bedroom features a walk-in closet and the finishing detail of chair rail, while the 3rd bedroom has a ceiling fan and a double closet. And both of these bedrooms have oversized east-facing windows for lovely morning light. The 2nd bedroom has a south-facing window and a double closet, while just down the hall is the 4-piece washroom, which features easy care vinyl flooring, a ceramic tiled bath area with sliding glass shower doors, and the convenience of a linen closet just outside its door. The master bedroom is very generously sized and has an oversized west-facing window for views of the backyard and its greenery. With ample space for a sitting area, this bedroom is complete with 2 separate double closets, both with mirrored bifold doors. This home is minutes from one of the largest parks in Scarborough, Lamaro Park, with this vast green space having both indoor and outdoor recreational facilities that include tennis and cricket centres, a sports complex, a community centre, an off-leash dog park, a large forested area next to a pond, as well as the dedicated child-friendly playground of Kidstown Park. And there is an extensive trail system that winds its way throughout the entire park, connecting to all these facilities. The lower level is fully finished and provides plenty of additional living and entertaining space for the home. This level features 2 separate bonus areas that can be hidden away behind sliding doors, both which can be utilized for storage as home offices or as hobby rooms, with the second of these 2 rooms also providing access to a combined laundry and mechanical room with a washer, dryer, and storage cabinets. The L-shaped recreation area has a mirrored wall enhancing its spaciousness, and also features pot lighting and a bar area. From the side yard patio is an interlocking walkway with a pergola that leads to the deck in the nicely sized backyard, where perennial plantings line the fences and evergreens at the rear of the property provide year-round privacy. A short walk to Brookmill Boulevard Junior Public School, Lamaro Collegiate Institute, and TTC service. This home is also just minutes away from the Bridlewood Mall, the Birchmount Hospital, and the Tam O'Shanter Golf Course, while the Scarborough Town Centre, Fairview, and Kennedy Commons malls, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 404, are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.